Welcome to dotConnect for QuickBooks. Empower your .NET applications with an industry-trusted, high-speed data provider that delivers QuickBooks Online connectivity. Get started in two simple ways. Use the Windows installer for a complete setup that integrates with Visual Studio. Alternatively, choose the NuGet package for the fastest way to connect to a data source. Effortlessly connect to QuickBooks using Server Explorer in Microsoft Visual Studio. Add a connection, select the data provider, and use interactive authentication to obtain your access tokens. Then, connect. Browse tables, columns, and data, all within Visual Studio. Connect programmatically in any .NET project or framework using our innovative interactive authentication to securely obtain access tokens and establish a QuickBooks connection. Alternatively, you can manually retrieve the tokens and use them to configure the connection. Our data provider powers your ORM workflows. Seamlessly integrate with Entity Framework Core, Dapper, and more across all versions. Pair it with Entity Developer for effortless model creation in any .NET application. Our advanced ADO.NET architecture is designed to optimize every aspect of your QuickBooks integration, from executing commands and reading data to managing connections, parameters, and error handling. Elevate your .NET applications with our industry-proven, reliable connector. Download it for a free trial today, give it a go, and make the most out of its capabilities and performance in your projects.